Wow, cool skates. Yay, picnic time. Wow, full time. Hi, my little friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel, Lisa Lina Frost 7. Wow, look at Lisa. Lisa is near the pool. There is a big umbrella. A table is under the umbrella. Chairs are around it. Lisa is sitting and relaxing. So cool and fun. And Lena? Pool umbrella. Wow, look at Lena. Lena is near the pool. There is a big umbrella. A table is under the umbrella. Chairs are around it. Lena is sitting and enjoying. So nice and fun. Do you like Lisa? Do you like Lena? Which one do you like more? Do you like this setup? Isn't it fun? Would you sit here? Hmm? Wow, look at Lisa. Lena has a picnic basket. It has a handle to carry. Let's open the basket. So many yummy things inside. Picnic time with Lisa. Picnic basket. Wow, look at Lena. Lena has a picnic basket. It looks so cute. Let's open it. Wow, food is inside. Lisa, glass jug set. Wow, look at Lisa. Lisa has a glass jug set. There are cups and a jug. Looks for some juice. So refreshing. Yummy drink time. Wow, look at Lena. Lena has a glass jug set. The cup look pretty. Let's pour juice. Wow, so nice. Happy drink time. Do you like the picnic basket? Do you like the drink set? Which one do you like more? Do you like a picnic? Do you enjoy this? Isn't it fun? They are bright and cool. Let's skate. Lisa has blue roller skates here. Lisa is rolling fast. So fun. Wow, look at Lena. Lena has pink roller skates. They look so pretty. Let's skate. Lena is rolling happily. So fun. Wow, look at Lisa. There is a huge slide. Wow. Let's climb the stairs, slide down. Big. So big and fun. Look at Lena. This is a gang slide. Up the stairs, slide down, slide down. Yay, so amazing. Barbie carriage. Wow. Look at Lisa. This is a Barbie carriage. It looks like a princess ride. So pretty. Let's go for a ride. Look at Lena. This is a Barbie carriage. So shiny and cute. Princess ride time. Let's go. Look at Lisa. Lisa has a toy jeep. It has big wheels. Let's drive. Boom, boom. So fun. Look at Lena. Lena has a toy jeep. It looks so cool. Let's drive. Boom, boom. So exciting. Do you like the skates? Do you like the big slide? Which one do you like more? Do you like the princess car? Or do you like the jeep? Which toy is your favorite? Are you having fun? Look at Lisa. It looks so cute. Let's drink coffee. Lisa has a coffee mug here. So warm and nice. Look at Lena. Lena has a coffee mug. So pretty and bright. Let's drink coffee. So fun. Wow! Look at Lisa, there is a chocolate fountain so yummy. Strawberries and marshmallow dip and eat. So tasty and fun. Look at Lena's side. Chocolate fountain is here. So sweet and delicious. Yummy. Fruits are here. Let's dip, and enjoy. So fun. Lisa has a bubble machine. So many bubbles. Pop, pop, pop. So magical. Bubble machine. Look at Lena. Lena has a bubble machine. Bubbles everywhere. So fun and shiny. Let's play. Look at Lisa. Lisa has a cute bag. It has a handle, so easy to carry. Let's go shopping. Look at Lena. Lena has a pretty bag, so stylish and cute. Let's carry it. So fun. Look at Lisa. Lisa has a dressing table. There is a mirror, makeup item are here. So nice and pretty. Look at Lena. Lena has a dressing table. Mirror is shining. So many beauty items. So cute. Look at Lisa. Lisa is wearing summer clothes. So cool and comfy. Let's play outside. So fun. Look at Lena here. Lena has summer outfit. So light and pretty. Ready to play. So happy. Do you like the coffee mug? Do you like chocolate fountain? I like chocolate fountain. Which one is your favorite snacks? Do you like bubbles? Do you like these cute bags? Which outfit do you like more? Are you enjoying the video? Look at Lisa. Lisa has a golden jewelry box. It opens like magic. Wow, a cartoon characters pops up. So shiny and pretty. Let's keep jewelry inside. Look at Lena here. Lena has a golden jewelry box. It looks so beautiful. A cute character come out. So magical and fun. Let's open it. Look at Lisa. Lisa has a walkie-talkie. It looks like a cartoon toy. Let's talk. So cool. Look at Lena. Lena has a walkie-talkie. So fun and colorful. Hello. Hello. Let's talk together. Look at Lisa. Lisa has fluffy keychains. So soft and cute. Let's hang it. So pretty. Look at Lena. Lena has fluffy keychain. So cute and colorful. So soft. Let's use it. Look at Lisa. Lisa has unicorn hands-free. So magical and shiny. Let's listen. So cool. Look at Lena. Lena has unicorn hands-free. So pretty and cute. Let's use it. So fun. Look at Lisa. Lisa has a rainbow umbrella. So colorful. Let's open it. So fun. And look at Lena here. Lena has a rainbow umbrella. So bright and cute. Let's open it. So happy. Lisa is inside a jumping tent because Lisa has a jumping tent. Lisa, let's jump. So fun and safe. Wee! Look at Lena. Lena is jumping tent. Let's jump together. So exciting. Yay! Look at Lisa. Lisa has a big doll house. It looks like a castle. So pretty. Let's play. Look at Lena. Lena has a doll house. So beautiful and colorful. Let's explore. So fun. Lisa has a huge slide. So big and fun. Let's climb up, slide down. Whee! Look at Lena. Lena has a big slide. So exciting. Climb up, slide down, slide down. Yay! Do you like the jewelry box? Do you like walkie-talkie? Which kitchen is your favorite? Do you like unicorn headphone? Do you like a rainbow umbrella? Do you like jumping tent? Which dollhouse do you like more? Which slide is more fun? Are you enjoying this video? So take care of yourself, my little. Bye bye.